Delicious fried pork ribs. Let's make it. 2 pounds baby back ribs, cross-cut. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. A little bit of salt and pepper. One teaspoon of paprika. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well. Marinate for at least 1 hour. One hour later. Heat the cooking oil. Deep fry until golden brown or fully cooked. Use medium heat. Stir occasionally. Remove the ribs from the pan. Remove the cooking oil. A little bit of cooking oil. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Add the fried ribs. Continue cooking for 40 seconds. Sprinkle with green onions, optional. Done. Bon appetit. Wow, super yummy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.